The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard, found mainly on a few Indonesian islands, including Komodo Island. These reptiles can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh more than 150 pounds. Known for their powerful build and sharp claws, Komodo dragons are top predators. Their bite is deadly, not just because of their sharp teeth, but also because their saliva contains harmful bacteria that can cause infections in prey. They have a slow metabolism, meaning they can go for long periods without eating, but when they do catch a meal, they can eat up to 80% of their body weight in one go. While they look like modern-day dinosaurs, Komodo dragons are surprisingly good swimmers and can even climb trees in their youth. They're truly fascinating and one of nature's most impressive reptiles.